want to be a game designer. Well, the exciting thing is that actually means a lot of different things these days. You can either create and publish your own games as an indie developer, or you can join a team and go work for a major studio creating the blockbuster games that we all love to play. But regardless of what path you choose, one thing is for sure, in an industry that is as competitive as this, you're going to want to be well trained as both a programmer and an artist. This is why we've put together one of the most complete and in-depth game design curriculums imaginable. But don't let our giant video training library that lets you learn at your own pace intimidate you, because we know full well for our students to succeed, they have to enjoy the entire learning process. This is why we'll start you off on some really exciting projects, which have you building advanced games in just your first few hours. And once you've mastered the basics, you'll feel confident and excited to move on to our more advanced training series, where again, we lead you step by step through fun projects, making learning all the aspects of game design as easy as possible. So if you're serious about becoming a game designer, then join more than 50,000 students around the world who are already learning how to make amazing games here at the School of Game Design.